Night one here at Findley State Park. That's a pretty good little fire going. If that big log catches, should have some coals for morning.
You're funny. What's Daddy doing? Huh? What's Daddy doing?
Nothing like a good cup of coffee sitting by the fire. Some of these paths through here are treacherous. They have a lot of roots in them, so you have to really be careful. You roll down that hill. Who's that back there? Slow but sure. That's Pokey Butt. Is that a curse word, Pokey Butt? She got on me for saying butt. I apologize. A lot of wood laying down here that could be burnt, but most of it's wet. We okay on this trail? We mainly do these videos so we can have something for our kids to watch when we're gone. You told me to be careful.
I know.
You be careful. We don't always take the easy route. Do what?
There's a red mushroom.
A red mushroom?
Can you see it?
Let me go back and get a video of that. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've never seen one that color either. I want to go down here and show you guys something that really upsets me. People must think that they're the only ones in the world. There's a bottle someone threw away. Look, beer cans. So if you're watching this video and you threw these here, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. And I see more trash littered down through there. Who do you guys think is going to clean this up?
I heard something back over there.
Trying to carry a cup of coffee while I do this, everybody. We might want to make our way back over to the main trail. No. Like I say, most of this wood's laying around is wet, dry rotted. There's a lot of it laying around. And we're back on the main trail now. Findley State Park. Several miles of trails through here. Not much sun gets into this area. We've got solar, but we probably only be getting about 2 hours of sun a day on it right now, where we're sitting. These are nice trails right here. This is taking us away from the lake. Up here a little bit to the left, they got paths that go right into the back of these campsites. That's the side I thought I was going to be on. I put us on the other side. I think we can probably go right through there and out, back out to the main road. Okay, start off with a disclaimer. This is not a cooking channel. I do want to show you a concoction we're making up today. This is burger, ground chuck, and ground beef, whatever, and thick sliced bacon. And we're going to get that all cooked up really good. The bacon is not going to be quite crispy, but it'll be done. And then I'm going to put the burger in this skillet and some eggs in with it, some cheese and onions. And we're going to layer it with the bacon. And we're using American cheese because we like cheddar, but I think we like American better. And then I'm going to come over here and put these biscuits, layer them in here. We're going to cover both these with foil. And then we're going to bring them over here. And this nice little thing ODNR provided for us. Nice little fire pit. I got that one log laying on there, try to dry it out a little bit. But then we're going to put our iron skillets on there and we're going to cook it up. And that's going to be our lunch. We'll see you in a little bit. Well, the burger's coming along. Connie's got the onions all diced up. We got the butter in the pans. That's going to add a little extra flavor. It's coming along, but I don't want the bacon to cook really good on here because I want the bacon flavor to go down through the dish while it's cooking. So I may pull the bacon off here pretty quickly. Fire's going good. See you later. I went ahead and pulled the bacon off. Laying right there, just waiting to be used. Got some red onions on there. Get them a little bit warmed up before we mix everything together. Looking good, looking good. Eat like a king and queen today. Eat, sleep, repeat. That's what they say. For us campers, that's what we do. We'll go ahead and mix these onions in with this burger. Get it all mixed together. Don't ask me what this is called. I seen something similar to this on Ohio Parks. I don't know what they called it, but it sure looked good when they got done. I don't know if there's had onion in it or not, so we'll just call it Next Adventure Concoction or something like that. I don't know what we're going to call it. Yeah. You know, we could probably do this with sausage too. Maybe a little better fit. This is kind of a brunch. I always did like, my mama used to make scrambled eggs in that hamburger. Man, it was good. It's coming along. Okay, I've got the hamburger in the skillet and the onions. I put a half a dozen eggs on there. And I'm gonna go ahead and layer it with about four layers or 4 slices of cheese should about do it. Again, I've never had this, never made it. We're gonna see what it turns out to be like. And I'm gonna put the bacon on it, a lot of bacon. I saved a lot of that bacon flavor instead of frying it all out. It'll go down through there, I hope. This is 12 ounces of bacon. I don't know if you just heard me burp or not. Apologize if you did. Okay, that's all together. I'm going to cover that with foil. We're going to put her on the fire, let her cook for about 20 minutes. Well, I wanted to give you a picture of our homemade Dutch oven. We don't own a Dutch oven, so we just put a little bit of foil around the iron skillet, and that's what she's going to look like. Right there's where our biscuits are going to go. We'll let that cook a little while before we put the biscuits on. Looky there. What we got on there now. Potatoes O'Brien. You got the main course, biscuits on cooking, and we'll see how we turn out when it's all said and done. Yes sir. Well, I say it's time to eat, everybody. Don't look too bad. Looky what she did. You know who that's for? That's for the dogs. That's for the babies. She takes care of the babies before she gets her own plate. Because that plate I just showed you is mine. I think it's going to taste pretty good. I probably could have cooked the bacon a little longer before I put everything together. But we'll see. Bye-bye. Bit at a time, huh?
Yeah. Caught his first fish. There it is. What is it?
It's a bass.
A small bass. Let's see it. All right.
There you go, camper van Kevin. That's how you do it.
try it again.